world of AI is constantly evolving, but sometimes something truly shocking happens, and that thing recently was DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek R1 performs on par or better than some of the best AI models out there, like those from Google, OpenAI and Anthropic. But unlike most of these top-tier models, DeepSeek R1 is open. The other ones are typically kept proprietary and secret. This is a big deal because most advanced AI has been developed behind closed doors by companies in the US. Meta's Llama models are notable exceptions, but broadly speaking, open source state-of-the-art is quite rare. For developers like you and me, this is huge. Open source state-of-the-art models mean more experimentation, faster iteration, and potentially building entirely new applications on top of this foundation. It's now also the model with the most GitHub stars. The release of DeepSeek R1 had immediate consequences. Nvidia, most notorious or famous chip maker, whose technology powers almost all AI, saw a huge drop in their stock value, hundreds of billions of dollars lost. This suggests that the market is wondering if new AI models will require fewer chips and less energy, potentially impacting future demand for Nvidia's products. Beyond the stock market, DeepSeek R1 also has geopolitical implications. The US has imposed restrictions on exporting advanced AI chips to China, aiming to slow down China's AI development. DeepSeek R1 can be seen as a significant step for China towards AI independence. Having powerful open source AI developed domestically reduces reliance on Western technology, a strategic goal for many nations. Some see this as part of an AI arms race, where AI dominance could reshape global power dynamics. So what exactly is a reasoning model? Unlike standard AI models that directly jump to answering the question, reasoning models are designed to think about a problem first. So DeepSeek R1 first thinks about an answer, during which it takes steps to analyze and break down complex questions before giving you the final answer. Think of it as built-in debugging steps. It's not just spitting out an answer, it's showing internally how it got there. When OpenAI introduced O1, the first reasoning model, this was a game changer for many complex tasks. DeepSeek R1 achieves this reasoning ability through two key features. First, it uses pure reinforcement learning, or at least mostly pure reinforcement learning. This training method requires less human-generated data, making training more scalable and potentially leading to more creative and even unexpected AI behaviors. The model also learned to think longer about questions, which improves reasoning performance. In other words, more thinking gives better answers. Second, it employs a mixture of experts architecture. Think of it like microservices for AI. Specialized units handling specific tasks, making the whole system more efficient and scalable. Imagine a team of specialized AI brains working together. Each expert is good at a specific task, and when you ask a question, only the relevant experts are activated, making the model faster and more efficient than if it used the entire brain, if you will, for every single question. Of course, with any powerful technology, there are important considerations. When using DeepSeek's hosted services, data privacy becomes a concern, as your information is subject to Chinese law. Like all advanced AI, DeepSeek R1 may also have biases learned from its training data, and DeepSeek R1 is currently much less audited than its US counterparts. Importantly, it's reported to censor also politically sensitive topics according to Chinese government policies. This raises questions about transparency and freedom of information. Because DeepSeek is open source, if you want full control, you can self-host DeepSeek. Smaller versions of the model can even run on laptops or home computers. However, running the full-size model requires significant hardware still, translating to potentially thousands of dollars per month in cloud computing costs. Developer experimenting locally on a MacBook or a company looking to deploy a powerful model in the cloud, DeepSeek R1 offers a range of options. So where will DeepSeek R1 shine? Reasoning models like DeepSeek R1 are particularly useful in complex domains like STEM fields, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. You can think of advanced math problems, coding, physics simulations, and chemistry research. Any area where you need an AI to really think before generating an answer. How will reasoning models change the way that we use AI? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to explore DeepSeek R1, experiment with reasoning models yourself, and join the open source AI discussion. Check out the links in the description to learn more, and consider what will you build with this new capability.